What's up, squad? If you're grinding in the crypto game like me, you know XRP's been on a wild ride this year. From regulatory drama to breakout rallies that make your portfolio pop. Today, we're breaking down this killer one-day candlestick chart for XRP USD as of November 2nd, 2025, straight from the front lines of the market. No fluff, just real talk on what's cooking with Ripple's powerhouse token. And stick around because I've got a price prediction that's gonna have you rethinking your next move. Hit that like button if you're holding XRP. And let's jump in, this one's for the bold. Picture this, the screen's lit up with that sleek black background. Green and red candles dancing like they're at a Vegas after-party. Right at the top, we've got the headline. XRP USD clocking in at $2.5108. Up a cheeky plus 1.01% over the last 24 hours. That's no accident. It's XRP flexing after dipping to a daily low of $2.4811 and spiking to a high of $2.5539. Volume, oh yeah, it's pumping. 45.50 million XRP traded, equating to $114.57 million in USD. That's serious action, folks. Whales are circling, and retail's piling in over the past day, from November 1st at 1:30 a.m. to now at 10:30 a.m. EST. XRP's been carving out a story of resilience, bouncing off support like a pro athlete dodging defenders. Zoom in on those candles. We're talking a classic 1-hour timeframe view here, with price action that's equal parts thriller and chill. Starting from the left, we see those early morning greens pushing up from around $2.3769, building that base like XRP's laying bricks for a skyscraper. Then bam, a quick red pullback tests the waters. But buyers aren't sleeping, they swoop in, flipping it back to bullish territory. Those orange and yellow bodies, they're screaming momentum, closing higher than they open, with wicks that show sellers tried but got smoked. The overall vibe, a steady climb from that overnight low, consolidating just under $2.55, teasing us with a potential breakout. It's not some moonshot frenzy yet, more like a calculated power play. With the price hugging that upward slope, volume bars lighting up in tandem like fireworks on the 4th. Now let's talk the secret sauce. Those indicators overlaid like a boss-level HUD. Up top, the exponential moving averages, EMAs, are your roadmap. The 7-period in purple at $2.5237, 25-period green at $2.5165, 50-period orange at $2.5142, 100-period blue at $2.521, and 200-period red at $2.5322. Notice how they're all stacking bullish, with shorter ones above the longer. That's the golden cross energy, signaling XRP's got legs for more upside. Price is dancing right in that sweet spot between the 25 and 50 EMAs. Not overbought. Just primed the Bollinger Bands. Upper at $2.4106. Middle, that's your SMA 20 basically, at $2.368. Lower at $2.4106. Wait, no. Chart says upper $2.4106. Hold up, that's a tight squeeze around $2.36. $2.41 earlier. But now price is kissing the upper band at $2.41. Volatility's waking up. Baby, a poke above could unleash the hounds. Flip down to the oscillators. RSI at 38.5858. That's neutral turf, not screaming. Sell like it was in the 70s last month, but whispering room to run without overheating. MACD's a beauty. Histogram bars in orange and blue showing that DIF line at 0.0058 just crossed above the DEA at 0.0056, with the signal at a tiny 0.0002 positive. Zero line, crossed bullish, momentum shifting green, like the market's exhaling after holding its breath. Volume's no slouch either, with those purple bars spiking to 1.72 million on the highs, backed by a 5-period MA at 3.02 million. Confirms the buyers are committed. Not just joyriding, and that's SAR. Those blue dots flipping below price. Parabolic shift to uptrend mode, XRP's accelerating. Bottom line, this chart's painting a portrait of controlled chaos turning triumphant. From the overnight grind at $2.37 to today's $2.51 perch. XRP's shrugging off FUD like it's yesterday's news. Regulatory wins from the SEC back in August. Still echoing, Ripple's RUSD stablecoin launch, fueling institutional FOMO. And with Bitcoin eyeing $100K plus, alt season's knocking, XRP's positioned as the cross-border king. Faster than Swift and cheaper than your morning coffee. If you're in the USA, think about it. With Trump-era crypto vibes and potential ETF approvals on the horizon, this isn't just a chart, it's a launchpad. Price prediction, where's XRP headed next? All right, high-energy alert, let's forecast like pros. Blending this chart's tea leaves with market whispers. Short-term over the next 7 days. I'm calling a push to $2.90, $3.20. Why? That EMA stack and MACD flip scream continuation. If we close above $2.55 daily, it's game on, retesting August highs around $3.30. Volumes your tell, another 50M plus spike, and we're golden. But watch $2.48 support crack that, and we dip to $2.35 for a quick shakeout. Zoom out to end of 2025. Bull case, $5.10. Yeah, you heard that. Gemini AI's modeling it. Cup and handle breakout confirmed. And with XRP ETFs dropping verdicts mid-November, institutional cash could quadruple this bad boy from here. Base case, steady climb to $3.50. Riding Bitcoin's wave and Ripple's partnerships in the Middle East and beyond. Bear if global rates spike or SEC ghosts us. $2.10 floor holds, but rebounds baked in. For you stars and stripes holders, diversify smart, DCA and on dips. Set stops at $2.40. And tax perks with a Roth IRA crypto sleeve. XRP's not just surviving, it's thriving in this bull arena. What's your target, fam? Drop it in the comments. $5 or moonshot $25. Smash subscribe for daily charts like this. And I'll catch you in the next one. Trade safe, stack sats, and remember, in crypto, we're all in this rocket together. Peace.